Hi, I am Ajees Antony, pursuing final year in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Colonel Kannadi Institute of Technology. The title of my project is Automatic Solar Street Light Controller using IoT. The main components are LED light, control system and battery, charge controller, solar panel and LDR sensor. The main motive of this project is to reduce manpower and power consumption in our institution. So, the automatic solar street light using IoT works on two different types, automatically and manually. In automatic operation, it is controlled by LDR sensor. When the intensity of ambient light is very low, the light gets switched on, and the intensity of ambient light is very high. After a delay of 30 seconds, the light gets switched off. For the manual operation, we use a blink application interface. When I switch the manual on button, the light gets switched on and the street light status will turn from off status to on status. When I switch the manual off button, after a delay of 30 seconds, the light will turn off and the street light status will turn from on to off status. Now, we can see that the street light status will turn from on status to off status. So, we have installed the automatic solar street light system using IoT, and this is a blink application interface, and we can operate it by automatically and manually using LDR sensor and blink application interface. For automatic operation, based on the intensity of ambient light, the light will turn on in the evening and will turn off in the morning. This project can save electricity, reduce power consumption and human interference in switching on and off the LED light. We have integrated IoT technology with this project to control and monitor the LED light in anywhere at any time with the help of internet. Thank you.